everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on a variation of our side kick called the stepping side kick, or Miro Chagi.
Miro Chagi. So
once more, Miro.
Miro
Chaki. Good. Now this kick is almost always done from a sideways position. So we're gonna pull him back here, and I'm gonna talk from the back. So the leg that's closest to the target is the leg that's kicking. And again, before you can do the Miro Chagi, you have to have a really good side kick first. So if your side kick is not good, please stop this video and reset until you can do a good side kick and then come back to it. Good. So starting in the side guard position, he's going to take a little micro step towards the target with his lead leg. That's not necessary. That's only a distance filler. So if you just want to drop into it, that's totally fine as well. He's going to take his rear leg and he's going to grapevine step behind, cross leg step. He's going to bring this knee up really strong and he's going to push that side kick out as hard as he can. Good. Now, right now we're in a short distance, but in a few seconds I'm going to back up and let him back up and see how this is a distance covering kick. This makes people feel like they're safer than they actually are, especially in a tournament fighting situation, and it contains a ton of power. So again, step behind, knee up, push, aya. Good, and now he's going to flip this way. So you can see the back leg step, ready, step behind, hiya. Good, once more, hiya. Excellent. So now I'm going to back up just a little bit. Good, ready, You notice he's almost 7 feet away. If I was this red bag, I would feel safe. But he instantly closes that gap to make it not feel safe. Good. All right. So again, a variation of our side kick. That is our stepping side kick, or Miro Chagi in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.